Hi everybody, welcome to week 7, module 7. Almost done with the content from this course. This week we're going to be looking at respect, building trust, and learning from mistakes. So again, all of your reading and your content is included in the module. First focus is learning from mistakes, which can be considered to be learning agility. The importance of being able to learn moving forward. And then trust. It's 3 C's of trust. Here's a reading for you. Trust of character, trust of communication, and trust of capabilities. So the 2 assignments for this module, one is to assess yourself on learning agility. So answer these questions or rate how like you these questions are. And then post and respond to discussion board. What do you think of your score? And then respond to others. And the individual assignment this week for this module is to reflect on the 3 C's, assuming you've just received the job of your dreams. What are you going to do in the first 90 days to start to build trust? So have a good week. Remember that if you haven't done the protection of minors training yet, you need to do that to pass the class. It's a requirement for all students at the Citadel. Have a good week.